when you're moving along in your life and you're, operating on three wheels, just looking at your body, your mind, and your emotions, and then you realize there's the fourth wheel, and that may change the direction of your car. Could you talk about that?
See, now you using this analogy of four wheels of the car, your body, mind, emotion, and your energies. Your life energies will always, invariably be in the direction of life. Life will be its priority, always. To a large extent, that is so with the body also. Body also always in the direction of life. In your mind you may believe all kinds of stupid philosophies. You may think to be or not to be. This is all mental nonsense. You just close your mouth, hold your nose for 2 minutes and see. Body will say to be, to be, to be. There's no not to be. Yes or no? Because body is life-oriented. Life energies are 100% life-oriented, body is largely life-oriented, mind can freak out on anything. Mind is a lie. Every day it'll tell you something and make you believe it, tomorrow it'll make you feel like a fool for what you believed yesterday. Isn't it so? Hasn't it done to you any number of times? But you don't learn. So, now the thing is, shall we put our life energies in the direction of our mind, or shall we put our mind in the direction of our life energies? Tell me, what shall we do? What should we do? Center them? Now you are like this. Once there was a man who was riding a motorcycle. He prided himself to be a, new motorcycle, he's enjoying it. He and his friend are riding. Then he saw a kind of gateway where there were two lights, and he told his friend, see, I'll take the motorcycle between the two lights. From a distance, the lights were so narrow, the friend is for the first time sitting on a motorcycle, he got terrified. Between such a narrow light you're going to take, actually a whole road is passing, but from a distance it looks like they're like this. Then full speed he went through the gateway, very excited. Then they saw again two lights. And he told the friend, see, once again I'll go through these lights. And again he went. And both of them met in hell, because that was a truck. So don't take the in-between way always, that's not the way. Okay, every time you can't go through them. Shall we go in the direction of life energies or in the direction of your mind? Mind is eternally confused. The more intelligent you are, the more confused you are. I want you to know this. Only an idiot is dead sure about everything. Idiots are always dead sure about everything, isn't it? Do you see the confidence with which the idiots walk in the world? An intelligent person will hesitate with every step, because there are many possibilities. You have a single-track mind, you walk with great confidence. It is to get this confidence, a majority of the people in the world are using religion to get this idiotic confidence within themselves. God is with us. Once you believe this, no stopping you, It empowers you in a certain way, but it's disastrous for the world. Yes, it empowers you in a huge way, but it's absolutely disastrous to the world. Always this has been the history of humanity, but right now we have a classic situation going. All the… Okay, let me not go into political stuff.